So it's got, they call freeway gear, so I can go at 85 miles an hour. I'm getting 25 miles a gallon
Okay,
for
so
gas.
you get like fourth gear, cruising gear.
I have overdrive.
Overdrive, that's what I meant to say.
Yeah, I have overdrive.
What was it? You said the size of this engine?
It's the LS-1. They call it an LS-1, which is it's the same engine they put in the Corvettes.
Oh, okay. And you told me something else about the carburetors, or it's just fuel injection?
Fuel injection.
Okay.
I told him to light them up.
Yeah, I guess he did. Yeah, these kids these days, you know. The
whole interior is new.
Okay.
It's all brand new, but it's period correct. It's period correct fabric.
Yeah.
This leather is the original leather from the 50. I took it off the old seats and put it on these. And I made these.
Oh, geez.
They come off.
Yeah, that's nice to have those come off.
Yeah, I made them so they come off. I don't have shoulder harness seat belts.